Hello guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to unbox some Pokemon. Sadly, I already took off the thing. I couldn't wait, but yeah, I'm about to take out the Pokemon. So let's go. So first is a card. I'll let you guys redeem it. I'm gonna give you some time. Okay, so that's it. Then let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Fairy energy. Oh crap. Right, so I got a Gibble, Seawaddle, Bidoof, Scorpio? Wait, how do you say it? Scorpio, Wimpod, a Levani, a Medicham. Sorry, I haven't seen this Pokemon in a very long time. Sprout. How do you call it again? I forgot. Kamala. And this Pokemon, I like it a lot. It's cool. The Dilemmise. So, don't forget. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And don't forget to check out this cool YouTuber, because he's the one that basically taught me how to do the card trick. So do you guys want to know who it is? Okay, 3, 2, 1. The one and only Leonhardt. If I ever pull 2 hyper rare Charizard in Reshiram Tag Team GX, and if you're watching this, I'll feel free to give you one if I ever can. So yeah. Bye guys. Have a safe day.